Hello my friend and fellow trader, it's Will here with FXAce.com, and it's that time again, the end of what has been another fantastic trading month, August 2021. And in this video I'm just going to do a quick recap showing you the actual results that we managed to achieve this month. Okay, so before we actually get into the actual stats, if you're new to my channel and haven't yet subscribed yet, simply hit the subscribe button now. So let's get into the actual results, the stats, how many pips we gained this month on the weekly trades. Okay, it was a bit more if we add both the weekly and daily setups, but for my tracking account, I simply show you the weekly trades, which is the main service, and the daily signals are an extra or like bonus trades that we take sometimes during the week. Okay, so let's get over to the stats. Okay, we made pips every week this month. Okay, and the first week was pretty slow. We had a few trades. We managed to gain 80 pips. Okay, and 35 pips on the daily signals. Okay, the second week was probably our best week of the month. Okay, we had four positions and we managed to bank 220 pips. Then the week after, again, we had another, I think, 5 positions. We banked 150 pips. And then last week, we had 2 positions. It was pretty slow. On the weekly trades, we managed to get 90 pips and 60 pips on the daily signals. Okay, total pip count for the weekly positions this month was 540 pips. Okay, we had 14 trades, 12 wins, 2 losses for a 90% win ratio. That's all tracked here. If you're accessing this video via my email, I will have attached this Excel file to the email so you'll be able to track the actual stats on the account. Okay, this is the live account here. Okay, there is a link where you can track this live account below. Okay, you can see this month. Pip difference, 560 pips. Okay, 13.75% gain on the account. This is a personal account. I'm taking a little bit more risk because I'm happy with when a drawdown period does come with a little bit bigger drawdown. If you want to see a conservative approach to the trading, just scroll down to the bottom of the page on the my FX book page, and you'll be able to track the actual demo account, which is also linked up to the copier account. Okay, and you can see this is pretty consistent, pretty conservative. Okay, we average around 4 to 5% per month. We've had 2 bad months since this account began. Okay, we had that big drop down in February. Okay, which was a very bad month. Okay, and you can see very consistent since then. Okay, so you can track that account there. So another fantastic trading month. Okay, very consistent, reliable results. Okay, everything's tracked. You can access this Excel file by simply either contact me at will@fxace.com, or it is attached to the email you downloaded this from. If you want to access either the signal service or our trade copy service, where my trades are copied directly to your account without you doing any of the work, just simply click the link below, which will be Forex Copier Pro. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know at will@fxace.com. Okay, another fantastic trading month. Looking forward to September. So make sure you get involved. Click the link below, and I shall see you on the next video.